For the lesson, solutions of a linear equation in two variables, we have the following learning targets. I can define a linear equation in two variables, and I can tell whether a point is a solution of a given linear equation using the algebraic and graphical methods. So what is a linear equation in two variables? A linear equation in two variables is an equation of the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b should not be equal to 0. Ax plus by equals c is the standard form of the equation. Say for example, we have x plus 3y equals 5, where, okay, let us identify a, b, and c. What is the value of a, or what is the coefficient of x here? Now, whenever you cannot see any number beside a variable, it is understood to be 1. So our a here is 1. How about b? B is equal to 3 and c is equal to 5. Let's have another example. We have here y equals 2x plus 3. But is this equation written in the standard form? This equation is not in the standard form, but we can write it in the standard form. How? We can add the additive inverse of 2x to both sides. Now, what is the additive inverse of 2x? The additive inverse of 2x is negative 2x. So what we are going to do is copy the equation again, y, then leave a space here because we are going to add here the additive inverse of 2x. We have 2x, then we have 3. The additive inverse is negative 2x. So we have here negative 2x on the left side and another negative 2x on the right side. And then we simplify. So what we have now is y minus 2x is equal to 2x minus 2x equals 0. So what's left on the right side is 3. So we have now y minus 2x equals 3 is the standard form of the equation. Or the easier way, we can just do the transposition process. What is this? Okay. So we can just write again the equation y equals 2x plus 3. We are going to transpose or transfer 2x to the left side. When we transpose, the sign of the term changes. So we're going to transfer this on the left side from positive, okay, copy y first. It becomes negative 2x equals 3. Remember that negative can be understood as minus. Okay? So negative 2x can be read as minus 2x. Okay? That's it. I think this is easier than the previous one. Next, how do we determine the solution of linear equation in two variables? What methods can we use? We can make use of two methods, algebraic method and graphical method. Let's have first the algebraic method. An ordered pair with coordinates x, y is a solution of the linear equation ax plus by equals c if the equation is a true statement when the x and y values of the ordered pair are substituted into the equation. Let's have this example. For each ordered pair of y equals 2x minus 3, decide, is the ordered pair a solution to the equation? Let's answer this one first before letter B. So we have, say we have here point A, point B, point C, and point D. Okay. So we have point A with coordinate 0, negative 3. Okay. What I usually do, so I'll not be confused in the substitution process, I copy the equation y equals 2x minus 3 and then label the coordinates. We have here x, this is y, this is x, y, x, y. But if you are already expert, need not write this. So let's do the substitution. So we have now Our y is equal to negative 3. We have copy 2 because that's constant. We have x is 0. Copy negative 3 or minus 3. So we have negative 3 is equal to 2 times 0 is 0. So what's left here is negative 3. Now this is a true statement. Thus, point A is a solution of the equation. How about point B? Again, I'll copy the equations. Are not be confused. Our y is 3. You have 2 times 3. Our x minus 3. So you have 3 is equal to 2 times 3 equals 6 minus 3. You have 3 is equal to 3. Again, this is a true statement. Thus, point B is a solution. How about point C? Okay, copy again the equation. 2x minus 3. We have y is equal to negative 3. We have 2 times x is 2 minus 3. We have negative 3 is equal to 2 times 2 equals 4 minus 3. Negative 3 equals 1. This is not a true statement. So, this is not a solution of the given equation. Next, lastly, we have point D. Copy 2x minus 3. We have y is negative 5 is equal to 2 times negative 1 minus 3. So we have negative 5 is equal to 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 3. We have negative 5 equals negative 5. This is a true statement. Thus, point D is also a solution. Next, let's make use of the graphical method to answer item B. The graph of a linear equation ax plus by equals c is a straight line. Every point on the line is a solution of the equation. So let's have this, okay, coordinate plane. And this is the graph of y equals 2x minus 3. Let's try to verify if points A, B, and D lie on this line. And point C does not lie on it. Okay. So, let us start. Your point A has coordinate 0 and negative 3. This is point A. How about point B? Point B has coordinates positive 3 and we have positive y. So, it's found here. So, we have point B lies on the line. How about point C? Positive 2 and negative 3. This point is not on the line. So therefore, it's not really a solution of the equation. Then lastly, we have point P. It has coordinates negative 1. And we have our y is negative 5. Okay. It's found here. It's point D. Thus, points A, B, and D are the solutions of y equals 2x minus 3. I hope you understand. Next, practice. Open your book on page 11. Answer item number 1. What you're going to do is pause the video for a while and take some time to answer this item. Then afterwards, you are going to play the video to check your work. So let us check. Use the graph of y equals 3x minus 1 for each ordered pair. Okay. Decide, is the ordered pair a solution to the equation? Do each point lie on the graph? Okay. So we can just plot it. Okay. Plot it. We have point A, 0, negative 1, 0. Then we have negative 1. This is point A. Point A is a solution. Point B, 2 and positive 5. 2 and positive 5. It's found here. And we have point C. Point C is 3 and negative 1. 3 and negative 1. Point C is not a solution. Okay? And how about point D? 1 and negative 4. 1 and negative 4 here. We all have still points A, B, and D are the solutions. And we can verify it using the algebraic method. So, we can do it mentally actually, students. Okay. So, if we have y is equal to negative 1. We have 3 times 0 minus 1. So, we have negative 1 equals negative 1. That is true. Then, for point B, we have y is 5 is equal to 3 times 2 minus 1. So, we have 5 is equal to 6. We have negative, this is positive 3 rather. 3 times 2 is equal to 6 minus 1. So, you have 5 is equal to 5. That is still a true statement. How about point C? For point C, we have y is equal to negative 1 is equal to 3 times our x is 3 minus 1. So you have negative 1 is equal to 9 minus 1. Negative 1 is equal to 8. That is, they are not equal. Then, it is a false statement. Then, how about point D? We have our y is equal to negative 4 is equal to 3 times our x is negative 1. Copy negative 1. So we have negative 4 is equal to 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 minus 1. Negative 4 equals negative 4. Okay, that's it. Now for checking and recording, still on page 11, answer item number 2. Make use of the two methods, algebraic and graphical. Okay? So do not forget to take a picture of your output, then send it to our system. So let's go back to the learning targets. Okay, reflect. I can define a linear equation in two variables. I can tell whether a point is a solution of a given linear equation using the algebraic and graphical methods. If you're able to confidently say these statements to yourself, then congratulations. If not, kindly go back to this video or review this video and answer the seat work again. Okay? So thank you for watching.